In this video, I want to show you how you can connect Confluence to Claude AI. So when you connect it to Claude, you can instantly rewrite your pages, summarize long documents, generate new content, and find information much faster. So all you have to do, you want to click on your profile in Claude, then you want to go to Settings, then Connectors, Browse Connectors, and here you want to search for Confluence. And it's going to show you this Atlassian robot, which is the company behind it. It's also company behind the Jira, so you can click on it and you will see connect button over here. So if you click on connect, it will redirect you to this MCP page where you have to select apps which you want to use. So if you want to use only Confluence, you want to select Confluence, then click on approve. And this will redirect you now to this page where you have to allow access to Confluence. So for example, it can view your comments, your content, it can update it, it can search and stuff like that. So you want to allow this or accept. And now you can start using it. You can also configure your permissions from here as well. So you can keep it, for example, on needs approval. This is the most safest way how you can use the connectors. And if you click on new chat, we can test it. So I'm going to type simple prompt like what documents I have in my Confluence. Now you can choose the permission. So if you want to allow it only once, you can allow it only once as well. It found that I have only few pages so far because I'm not using Confluence, so it found getting started, basically some introduction. So it also suggested us we can create maybe something for YouTube content workflow. So let's do that. So I'm going to ask him to create a page about it. Done, the page content workflow has been created. So here's what's included. It should have 7-stage content pipeline, tools table, video categories, and you can also open it through this link. So let's try this link if is it working. And as you can see, it redirected me to my Confluence, and here we have YouTube content workflow. So you can read through this and you can see, for example, some tools used for the videos. So script writing, Claude AI, thumbnail design, Canva, and for the screen recording, you can use OBS. So this is it. This is just a quick example how you can use this. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.